Welcome to TechX Media, live from Gitex Global 2025. I have with me right now two industry veterans, Mr. Jagat Shah, Chairman and CEO, Mitsumi Distribution, along with him, Mr. Mitesh Shah, Co-Chairman and Managing Director, Mitsumi Distribution. Let's welcome both of them on TechX Media.
Thank you.
It's great to have you here with us. And so my first question is for you, Mr. Jagat Shah.
Yes.
Mitsumi is one of the oldest and largest tech distributor in the Africa region. So how has the company grown over the years from a regional presence to a major presence across Middle East and Africa region?
So Mitsumi actually started operation in 1998 in Kenya. And those days, it was mostly towards repair for the computers. Kenya was just evolving and the country was just getting IT computerization. We both came from India and started computer repair shop back in 1998 in Goa. And as you started repairing people's computer, they would always come back to you that now can you please sell us because you repair us. So over the years, slowly we developed that way. There came a chance when vendors were looking for a distribution landscape in Kenya. And then they saw us doing all that good work for them. And then one vendor approached us, we put in the partnership. As soon as the other vendor started growing, they started seeing how the industry is growing in Kenya, they actually started appointing us more and more. And when we did well in Kenya, now we went to the East African region. When we went to East Africa, they took us to West Africa. When there was a landscape realignment, we got a chance to come into Middle East. So now we are in UAE as a distributor. We then went to French Africa, that is the Francophone Africa, where our headquarters is in Morocco and all this day. We went to South Africa with all the SADC region. And then lately now, just last year, but 1 year, we started operation in Morocco, in Saudi Arabia as well as in distribution. So I think it evolved over the period of 20-25 years. As vendor wanted to have more and more aggressive distributor going to the region, we started following that way. And vendors still consider us because we are still expanding into some Asian countries and stuff. So a lot of vendor pushes there.
Sounds interesting. So, Mr. Mitesh Shah, we see that a lot of emerging technologies are there now. How is Mitsumi catering to the demands of its partners and its customers?
So we started as with a component technology. It was the first technology, followed by a branded PC where we enter into distribution agreement with that, followed by a mobile technology where we enter in partner with some brands like Samsung and that. And then now we are into technology like infrastructure technology, cybersecurity. We are doing a lot of workshop with partner, training them with a new incoming technology. The latest technology is AI, where we are completely training the partners that this is the new technology in Africa. Although it's big in US, but Africa follows later on. But now Africa is trained, and through our partner network, we make sure that technology goes to end customer as well.
Great. So, Mr. Jagat Shah, distribution landscape has also changed. Now, distribution is something more than moving just boxes. How are you operating in this change scenario with your vendors and with your partners?
So distribution is now not only related, as you said, moving boxes. We have a lot of virtual components which have come up. So in our industry, we normally tell it like the cloud is the new warehouse, where we now start everything selling to it. Mitsumi has its own cloud, which is there. We have also launched our own cloud as a service infrastructure. We tied up with a lot of virtual vendors, like all the software and licenses. So we are actually realigning not only in terms of product through the cloud, we are also aligning in terms of a lot of services given to the partners through the cloud. So Mitsumi is changing from the landscape. Of course, traditional, because in Africa's traditional distribution still remains the key component, but a lot of new ways of delivery has come up, and we have actually started gearing up.
Very well said. Mr. Mitesh Shah, Gitex always ignites discussions around new technologies, new trends we see every year. So what is your observation this year? What is the discussion is around which technologies, and how do they align with Mitsumi's plans?
Gitex is a big platform where we get a lot of technology partners coming from all over the world, and bringing here now we have got advanced AI also coming into the picture. So it's a great platform where we meet our partners, shake hands, explain them on our technology, and we adopt also new technology coming from the rest of the world. So the best platform to have that relationship going on.
Very interesting. Thank you so much for joining us
Thank
today.
you for inviting
It
us.
was great talking.
Pleasure.
Thank-
Thank you for inviting us.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you.